it is probably the most busy area. In a nice sun stand, always be here. Tons of people just packed. You know, a lot of food court in the mall, they're always kind of like a little bit nasty, especially when it's super busy. But as you can tell, everything is so clean. What we are looking for is actually toast box. There is one meal we really like it. Curry chicken, some tofu, some potato inside, some rice on the top. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Byanca. Today we're still in Kuala Lumpur and we just came to this area. I think this is one of the best mall in the whole Kuala Lumpur, which is the Pavilion Malls, and we just got dropped off at this like luxury area. Behind me we got tons of luxury brands. We actually have been here for quite a few times, very close to our apartment, and this location, it's crazy good. Probably the most busy area except Tunas Towers. So every time we come here, just lots of people shopping, taking photos. It reminds me of New York, reminds me of Tokyo, just like super stylish, super, you know, just super cool. So today we're gonna go into the mall. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the mall. For now, I think we're gonna grab some food, haven't eaten anything. Let's go. Here we are, and this is I was like, this is the Japanese store. I mean, everybody know Uniqlo. What have we even mentioned that for? And we got this the second tallest building in the world right over there. Look at this fountain, super cool. And during the night, some stand always be here. Tons of people just packed. So this is the entrance. We got Armani, we got Dior. We got some more affordable brands upstairs.
They're playing like the trailer sound.
Oh yeah. This is so cool. This is, I think, 3D. Oh my god, guys, this is truly so nice. And right now, it is very quiet. Here's this entrance. Look how nice it is. I think compared to lots of malls in Kuala Lumpur, Pavilion Mall is very new. So they have lots of events going on all time. Then he just went to the toilet, so I'm here myself waiting for him. And this is the first floor. So first floor we got all the typical luxury popular brands, which is like Fendi, Celine, Tiffany Co. And the second floor, I would say, yeah, we got some watches. I think this one G2000. I think it is a Hong Kong brand for all the suits and stuff like that. Oh, and this jewelry brand, really expensive. Not sure if they're gonna ask me, don't film. Very expensive. Okay, we got Rolex in the back. Oh, Gaudia, that's the very expensive chocolate. So basically what I'm saying is this is the very expensive part of the mall. I'm sure there's also gonna be some really affordable brands like H&M, Cotton On, stuff like that. Well, I guess it's because it's a Tuesday today, so it's really quiet. I remember this brand. I think you call this a store, right? Because they have all different type of brands inside. My impression of this type of store is I just didn't get it back then. I was just like, why? They look not stylish, but at the same time, it's also quite expensive. So I had a really bad impression about like buying clothing in the mall as a kid. And then we start to have like Zara, H&M, which is I think around like maybe 12 or 10 years ago. And then I started to enjoying actually shopping in the mall. I think I have seen this brand every country that we went. It's a cafe, it's a restaurant. I think it's also French, I guess so. Which just matched with my hat. They have 1, 2, 3, it's huge. This is the -1 floor. We got tons of restaurants. We got Burger King, chicken rice shop. But what we are looking for is actually toast box. There is one meal we really like it. It's like curry chicken, have some tofu, have some potato inside, and then you order some rice on the top. It's just so good. Oh, this is a really big food court. Food Republic. Lots of shops. Smells really good. Oh, I think they have Hainanese chicken rice for you there. It's nice.
You haven't been here before?
No, we haven't been there. Yeah, we actually came to pavilions quite a few times, but we'll just like walk by, grab some stuff and leave right away. Never come to this store and never saw this food court before. It looks so nice. You know, a lot of food court in the mall, they're always kind of like a little bit nasty, especially when it's super busy. But as you can tell, everything is so clean. What they have here, they have some spring roll. Oh, price is decent. Istanbul, sticky ice cream. Okay. Some chicken rice. This looks pretty good. Oh, I would get this. Decent price. Wow, it is so busy. Like you don't see so many people in the mall right now walking around, but I guess because it is lunchtime, that's why everybody came here to have food. Some dessert, drinks.
Dubai, huh?
Yeah. So we got Japanese, we got Dubai. What else do we got? I guess this is Korean. Looks like that. Western, okay. Interesting. Toast box. That's our store. I would assume this is one of the most popular chain in Malaysia because I do see them everywhere. Look at the steam, it's so nice. They're cooking right in front of you. So I got this menu here on the wall. This is traditional butter kaya toast. We got a peanut butter thick toast, which is for 11 ringgit with 1 egg, 2 eggs I think, and then coffee. And we got also some, I think this is nasi lemak inside. We got some muffin. Wow, this muffin, it's not cheap at all. I think this is around like $1.20, something like that. So I think we're gonna have this one. This is our go-to curry chicken with rice set. They also got some beverage, which is like coffee and tea. Luckily, our menu is already included with 1 tea or coffee. This also looks pretty good.
What type of drink do we want?
I want a iced tea without milk.
Hello. Can we have a chicken curry chicken with rice? Yeah, 1 coffee, no sugar, and 1 iced tea, no milk, no sugar. Yes, please.
Interesting, we actually saw this girl downstairs of our building. She was working that toast box. Probably she just got promoted to pavilion toast box, which is good for her.
Take a shot at me, just like
Sure.
walk towards, from the back.
Yeah. Wow, this looks so good.
260.
Yep. Thank you. We got 3 plates of rice.
Nasi putih.
The soup just way too good. Cannot waste on that. Look at this. Oh my god. This curry is actually quite spicy, but if you eat it with the rice, you just like perfect. We also got some egg, some tofu, and a very big chicken leg.
All of that for €3.
All of that.
$3.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, you even got a tea, which is included, so it's completely a set menu. Such a great deal. That's it. Well, the trick is, or at least that is my trick, I put the soup on top of the rice, and then you eat the rice. dripping right now.
Like no joke, by far, this is the best curry I've ever had.
It is.
Insane.
So good.
Alright, Toastbox, thank you for the money.
I wonder if I can just buy the soup. I mean, it's just so good. You can also make like noodles out of it. I'm sure it'll be also very, very good. So good. Let's go. So we finished our breakfast, and I think we're on the level where Zara should be. As always, we like to discover Zara to find something. Let's see, where is Zara? Okay, this floor definitely more alive. We got different sports brand here. Does anybody know Anta? This is a Chinese brand. I grew up with this brand.
You can go check out the mall.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This here's the movie theater. Let's take a look. Oh, we have Top Gun. We actually wanted to watch this one. I have never watched Top Gun in my life, so the other day we tried to catch up the first few ones, and we didn't really like the first one because it's a little bit old school jokes, old school type of flirting, which I didn't really enjoy in it. We wanted to watch this one, so maybe, but it's not on yet, so probably gonna watch it somewhere else.
Super Pets?
Yeah.
Theoretically, if it comes out at the same time in Thailand, we could watch this here. Look at it.
Oh yeah? Brad Pitt. We actually watched the, I think this movie is still on. It's called The Black Phone. It's about like child kidnapping. It's about like a boy just kidnapped to a dude's like basement, and then he got out himself. Brutally killed the kidnapper in the end, and we were so proud of it.
Black Phone?
Yes.
Perfect.
It's so satisfying in the end.
Not some like Marvel fluff of everything's happy, everything whatever.
Yeah.
Real deal. Real
Yeah.
personality.
This is the 10th floor. We thought there probably would be some viewpoint. Well, not that much. You'd still see tons of big buildings around. But the interesting thing is, I found they have this Haidilao hot pot store. This is a brand from Sichuan. It's everywhere. It's like so dominated everywhere now in Asia. I saw them in Indonesia. I saw them in Thailand. Now I see them in Malaysia. I remember the reason why they got so successful is because they provide lots of service. While you're waiting in the line, they provide like nail care. And then if you have baby, they have this like daycare corner for you. 10 out of 10 service. Now we are at 3rd floor, but this is kind of like outside area. So we got tons of pubs, restaurants on the side, especially when you walk during the evening time. Like both sides just completely packed. It's so busy every day, so busy. Even this hour, I mean, what time is it now? It's like 1:30. There is huge sales, as always, going on in Zara. I actually want to get some skirts or like dresses for the hotels. But the truth is, I'm leaving Malaysia soon and flying back to Thailand, and only have a carry-on. So right now I'm already trying to like throw something away, so I think it'll be not so smart to get something right now instead of getting Bangkok, right? So I'm thinking I'll just go back to Thailand and maybe just buy something over there. Funny thing, look at this item. Wow, this is such old school shoes. I remember we have this type of like style when I was a kid, but now the vintage style is coming back. This one's actually quite nice. I like this one, but that one, to be honest with you, I think it's hideous. Okay, anyway, joking but not joking. Let's see where Danny is. I think we need to check out soon. Where is him again? Oh, here you are. So what do I got? Oh, I got a perfume. Small one, small package.
I'm fresh, cozy, and vibrant. It's you.
Totally me.
You need a bag?
No, we're good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.